Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I will cover occlusion query in UE5. So yesterday I created a similar effect, but we were using a different approach for that. But today I will use the occlusion query, which is very useful, and I will create that from scratch so you can understand better. And if you have any query, just comment below the video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's start this tutorial. So in this video we will cover the occlusion query in Niagara. So let's create a Niagara and effects. And it has this uh, emitter, sorry, the sprite render and this material. This is additive, so I'll just replace it with a translucent material so we can make that also darker. It is also a radial. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll make this local first.